Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download and install the Mid First Bank and Trust mobile app. So let's get started. So to download and install that, you have to follow this easy step. So first of all, if you are an iOS user, you should must use your Apple Store, and if you are an Android user, you should use your Google Play Store. So here you have to open your Google Play Store, and here you have to search for the first sub first mid sub uh, bank app. Okay, just search like this. So from here we can see this app. Just click on here at install and it will be done. So if you have any question, you can let me know in my comment section, and if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.